Now today I'm going to be showing you how to change your oil pressure switch on your Pontiac Vibe or Toyota Matrix. Now this is the one I'm using. There's a part number. So let's get under the hood and get to work. So we come here straight under the intake. You can see the oil filter and you can actually see it right here. So what you do is push the button on the side and remove the harness. Now this is 15/16 and you're going to need a deep well. Okay, so now the 15/16 and a deep well. I'm just going to go right through here. Slide the socket over it. Push down. Don't have a lot of room to turn, but that's okay. It shouldn't be on there extremely tight anyway. And there it is. Now you will lose a little oil, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and get the new one started. And what I'll go ahead and do is just snug it down by hand. Which I got a little oil in my hand, so snugging it down as best I can. You can see I'm just turning the socket, which you can actually almost get it tight enough that way. Again, it doesn't have to be extremely tight. Couple turns, and there it is. Now all I gotta do is plug the harness back in, which depends on the rotation of it, depends how you're gonna plug it in now, so be aware of that. Alright, there it is. Changed, done. Simple, easy to do yourself. Save yourself a ton of time and money just by doing it in your driveway. Now if you've made a mess, clean it up. Make sure you do it while it's cold. And if possible, if you got on a slight incline where the oil's more back, there's always going to be a little oil there. It's going to be hard to avoid. You could do that while you're changing your oil. Get away from that. But there it is. I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.